Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Going to be doing a 12 by 12 inch pearl cell pour today. My base is this satin enamel, so it's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and then I mixed in, where is it? This satin enamel in gray. I think that's what it's called. Just gray. So just a little bit of that. So it just gave me like a light dove gray. I'm going to be using this gray base, probably a little white as well. And then colors I have mixed up from my last painting because I have a lot of them and they're so pretty. This was a custom mix of mostly golden, but there's a custom mix of these three. Okay. Teal, Blue Lagoon teal, turquoise phthalo, and Payne's gray. Oh, sorry, not Payne. Yes, Payne's gray and Prussian blue, I think. Maybe it was the Prussian blue. I don't remember. But that was a custom mix. And then I have the phthalo turquoise. I have a little bit of Flash Blue by Modern Masters. I have some Payne's gray by Golden. I have the teal by Golden. I have some rose by Modern Masters. Okay, I think that's pretty much, I might use a little gold, but I'm not sure. But that's basically what we're doing today. And you can see my paint is very thin. Okay, so let's get started.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. Weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Don't you be you and I'll be me. That's what it took to open my eyes. Don't need an answer, just a